What is up, guys, and welcome back. So now in this video we're going to be talking about the next section, and that will be a call to action. Okay, so basically now we are talking about a company. We have given about our company name. Okay, we have told that this is the best company and you can read about us and you can contact us. And then if a person goes down, then we have told him about our services that we offer right now. And down below we want to give him a sign that we offer free consultation, or you can contact us for free and get a code for free. So we can just add that section. Okay, I'm just gonna go to this guy right here that says add new section. Okay, and I'm gonna hit regular or full width. So it totally depends upon you that you want to go with the regular or full width. I think we should be going up with the regular right here. Okay, and then we have this row, that how much row we want in anything. Okay, so I'm gonna be choosing this one right here. Okay, and this will be free. So we want to add a free consultation. Okay, so here should be request for a free consultation, and then here should be the button, and here should be an image. Okay, cool. So we need basically 2 columns for this. I'm just gonna come here. I'm going to choose change column structure, and I'm going to choose 2 columns. So here would be the call to action button stuff, and here would be the rest of the stuff. Okay, and behind this I want the image. So I'm going to go to the section settings right here. I'm going to go to the background right here, and I'm going to come here to the image, and I'm going to choose an image. So for this I need to choose the best image. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to choose an image right here. Let's just choose this image. Okay, let's just come here to unsplash.com. Okay, and let's search for the image that is about team or something like that. Okay, yeah, this looks cool. Or a handshake, I think. Handshake. I think this one I like the most for consultation, I think. Or we can move on with the handshake for that. So I think this one. This one looks cool. I'm going to come here, I'm going to hit download, and you can see this is being downloaded. So I'm going to just open this up in the Photoshop. Okay, and I'm going to bring this right here. So I'm going to just resize it so it looks cool. So here we go. Okay, I want to bring this to top. Cool. Okay, what I want to do right now, I want to just press Control Alt Save, and I'm gonna save it as on the desktop. Okay, and on the desktop, and I want to open the CWPC, and then I want to come here to the PNG, and I want to name it as BG request form. Okay, I'm gonna come here to save, and I'm gonna hit OK. There we go. I'm going to go to my site right here, and I'm going to come here to upload files. I'm going to hit select files, and I'm going to go to the desktop right here, and I'm going to just open up this. So if you don't resize your image and then you directly try to upload the image from here, it will not look great and it will not be uploaded. So make sure that you resize it to 1280 by 720 pixel. Okay, so let's wait till it is resized and we can then upload it. Here we go. You can see this is right here. I'm going to hit upload image, and this image should be right here. Here we go. I'm going to click use the parallax effect, and it should be a true parallax. So I'm going to choose the CSS. So you can see that we have this handshake right here. So it looks good. It looks good on this. And then I'm going to come here to this guy right here, and I'm going to choose a color right here. So my color should be a bit of orange. We need to go to the gradient right here. So I'm going to choose the gradient, and I'm going to bring this the gradient to above right here. I'm going to choose a color right here. Okay, we are choosing the parallax effect. That is why we cannot add it. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to choose this guy right here. I'm going to delete it. I'm going to go to the gradient effect. And I'm going to choose... place gradient above the image. So I'm going to decrease it a bit. Okay, so I want to just go with the black and the golden. Okay, we basically want to focus on that. Or you can just go with the full black if you want to. So full black also looks good, I think. Yes. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go to the design right here. And here, I think we're totally done with this. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to hit OK. Okay, and here what I want to do, I want to just come up and I want to add a call to action button here that says request a free consultation, and then here would be an image. So I'm gonna go to the pixabay.com to get the PNG image because we need a PNG image. So I'm gonna go to the transparent and I'm gonna search for consultation. So consultation. Okay, and so I think we can go with this one, but I need that matches my color thing. So that matches my site color. So let's come here. Let's come here to the consultation consult. Let's search. Let's go with this one. Okay. I'm going to come here to free download. Let's come here. Let's hit download. And there we go. This is right here. I'm going to come here, and I want to just click this guy right here, and I want to choose the image. So I'm choosing this image. I want the image to be uploaded right here. So I'm going to drag it and drop it right here. And drop it right here, and here it should be uploaded. So I'm going to hit upload image, and here is the image. I'm going to go to the design right here, and I'm going to go to the sizing. So I'm going to choose it to be a bit low. Cool. I'm going to make it to the center. Okay, I can also align it to the left. So I think aligning it to the left looks good. I'm going to come here right now, and I need a blurb. Okay, on blurb, on just bringing the blurb, you can see I can add a title. So the title would be request a free consultation. Cool. Okay. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go to the design right here. I'm gonna choose the text to be the light. Okay. I'm gonna go to the title text, and I'm gonna increase it. Request a free consultation. Cool. Okay. What I want to do right now, I want to go to the, I want to just hit OK. I want to just configure this whole row, and I want to make it full width because we are working with the full width section. So I'm going to go to the alignment sizing, and I'm going to make it full width, and the custom gutter width would be no gutter width. Sorry, not the custom width. The custom gutter width would be no width. So you can see that now this is totally relying on this. So I'm just going to use the 2. So because we need 2 custom gutter width. Okay, you can see this looks pretty cool. I'm going to come here and I'm going to resize it because I want to make it a bit much shorter right now. So I'm going to go to the sizing right here. I'm going to choose it to be this much. Okay, and let's align this to center. So this looks cool. Okay, I want to change the color, this color, to be the black or the orange one. So I'm going to go to this guy right here. Let's just double click it. Sorry, I want to make it, just click here, and I want to come here. I want to just hit gear icon here, and I want to change this design of this. So I want to change the title text color, and the title text color is going to be the golden one. Cool. Okay, we have this request a free consultation. I'm going to increase the size. Okay, and I want to go to I want to hit this. Okay, and now what I want a divider right here. So a divider basically adds basically enhance your website. Okay, so I really recommend adding divider to beneath every heading. So I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna search divider, and here it is. I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna hit show divider. I'm gonna go to the design, the color. So my color is going to be the orange, and I want it to be, let's go to this content, the visibility, the design, the style. So, and now let's go to the sizing. So I want it to be 2 pixel. Oh, 3. I think 3 looks cool, and I'm gonna make it like this. Cool. I want it to be center, not center, but left align. So on aligning this to left, it is not looking a bit cool. Okay, what I want to do, I want to just come here. I want to go to the design of this, and the text should be aligned to left. So this is already aligned to left. Okay, cool. I want to make the edits right here. Let's just double click it, and I want to go to the padding right here. Sorry, the margin. So I'm gonna go to the design, and I'm gonna go to the spacing right here, and here we need to just take it from this side to this side. So we need some margin from the right side. Okay, this is the right side. Okay, we need to margin 25 pixel. Why is it not working? This is the right side. Okay, we need to give some left. So I'm going to choose some. This is not working. I want to go to, let's align this to center, and or just come here. Let's come here. Let's delete it, and let's add a new module. And that module is going to be the text module, not the blurb module. So I'm going to go to the text right here. Let's just come here and let's add it. So I'm going to add a h1 tag, and that is going to be request free consultation. Okay, cool. I'm going to close this h1 tag, and there we go. Okay, I want to go to the design right here, and I want to go to the text right here. So my text color is going to be light, and I basically want to manage the text color. So my text color is going to be this. Okay, I want to change the heading text color. Okay, I'm going to come here. I'm going to choose it. I'm going to choose this to be this much, and I want to increase this a bit. Request a free consultation. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to hit OK, and I want to bring this to top. Let's bring this down. Okay. Let's just bring this down. Here we go. Okay, now I want to come here. I want to hit this, and I want to decrease the size of this. So the sizing, let's come here. Let's decrease the width. So I think this much. Okay, cool. You can see how this is coming. Request a free consultation, and we have this guy right here, and everything looks pretty cool. If I just align this to totally left, I think it will not look good. So I'm going to come here, and I need a button right here below. So let's click here. Let's just come here, and we need a button. So I'm going to click button, and here should be a button. So button text is going to be request a consultation. Okay, now you will see that this blue button is not looking good here. This is matching with this. Okay, totally look. If this image would be this color, then that will look much. It will look much better. Okay, so you can see this blue color is not looking okay. So I want to just move it that color. So you have to make sure that you focus on one single color, and you yourself will see how your website looks amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the button right here. I'm gonna use custom styles. The button background color is going to be this. Okay, and the button text color is going to be this. So this looks cool. Okay. I want to go to the button border color, so my button border color should be no. I don't want any button border. Request a consultation. Okay. Let's come here. Let's click this guy. Let's go to the content right here. Let's go to the text, and let's just come here and let's just remove this request consultation. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit this so you can see how this is looking. It is looking pretty well. I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna go to the design right here, and I want to go to the sizing, and I want to align it to left. Cool. Now you can see how this is. I think I want to work with the gutter width a bit. I'm going to go to this guy right here. I'm going to go to the spacing. Not the spacing, the sizing. And I want to increase this to 3. Okay, now it looks a bit cool. Yes, okay. So you can see how this is. We have request a consultation, and everything looks pretty well. I'm going to come here. I'm going to use the divider, and I want to make it a bit above. So I'm going to come here to advanced and design, and I want to go to the sizing. So the spacing right here, and I want to decrease the top margin. So my top margin is going to be minus 15. It looks amazing. Now it looks good. You can see how this is looking. We have request a free consultation, and we have request consultation. This is going to take us to the contact us page. So I'm going to double click it. Okay, I cannot click the button. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to hit this right here, and I'm going to come here to the link, and it's going to open the contact page. Okay, I'm going to come here, and I'm going to hit OK. So you can see we are totally done with the contact page. We have our background image header, we have our services section, and then we have request a free consultation. I think we want to go, we want to add one more, we want to add some more background effect because this is not looking totally okay. I'm going to come here, I'm going to hit this, and I want to increase this. Cool. Let's come here, and there we go. So this is how it is looking. Everything looks pretty well. I want to decrease it. If I just decrease it a bit, and I decrease it from this. Okay, I need to give some to the top, some padding. Okay, cool. So now you can see how this is looking. Everything looks cool, and in the next video we will be adding some more section. So make sure that you try Divi side by side so that you like it. So thanks a lot guys for watching this, and goodbye.